If your Dyson cuts out or shuts off halfway through use, it can be so frustrating. What's more frustrating is no one seems to be giving us a clear answer as to why it's doing this. I see this problem every day and I'm going to give you the 3 reasons that it happens, also the symptoms so you know what's happening and how to cure it. I'm going to do this as quickly as I can so you can get back to vacuuming. Reason 1 is if you have a motor or circuit board fault. Now this is the one that no one seems to give a clear answer on. You are using your vacuum cleaner, it may last a few seconds, it may last a few minutes, but all of a sudden the motor just cuts out. And when you turn it back on again, it'll often just work as normal again, but then cut out again. This means you have a faulty motor or circuit board. Now the most common one that I find on this one that I'm demonstrating today is the circuit board. You have 3 capacitors. These regulate the voltage to the motor, so you've got a constant speed. If one of them gets faulty, then the motor thinks that it hasn't got enough voltage from the battery, so it shuts off, thinking that your battery is flat when it isn't. This is also why you may be getting a flashing light on your battery. So what do? You Google flashing light on battery and it tells you that you need to replace your battery. Well, if this is happening, you don't. If it was your battery, you would need to be charging it again before the vacuum cleaner would turn back on. We'll get to that in a minute. So how do we fix this problem? We need to buy the complete body with the motor and the circuit board in. Now they're really easy to replace, but they're also expensive to replace, but not as expensive as buying a complete vacuum cleaner. The second reason for your Dyson shutting off, like I've just touched upon, is if your battery is faulty. You'll be vacuuming along and it might only last a few minutes and it'll turn off. If you've got it on the maximum setting, it might only last a few seconds before it turns off. Then, when you try and restart it, nothing happens. You might get a flashing light on the battery, but it means you have to go and put it on charge. So you do this, you put it on charge, come back, start it up, and the same thing happens. This is a battery fault. So buy a new battery, fit it, job done. Just before we get on to the last reason for your Dyson cutting out, if none of these things are ringing true to you, if you're having like a totally different problem with your Dyson, don't feel left in the dark. Please put your model and the symptoms in the comments and I will try my best to help you. Reason 3 for your Dyson cutting off is when you're vacuuming along and it pops up a message saying that your airways are blocked. Now you've looked everywhere, you've looked in the pipe, in the main body, in the floor tool, you've cleaned your filter, and you try it again. And it still comes up with the same message. You might think that your Dyson is haunted, it's not. I have a dedicated video for this. Click on this video here, watch it, follow it, and you'll fix your Dyson. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. You never know when you'll need me next.